Noble gases belong to the last group in the periodic table. They are elements that belong to group 0. And from their name, they are all gases. Let's answer a few questions. Decide whether the following statements are true or false. The first statement says that the boiling points of the noble gases increase as we go down the group, while the second statement says that the boiling points of the noble gases decrease as we go down the group. So which one is true and which one is false? Do they increase or decrease as we go down the group? That is correct. Actually, the boiling points of the noble gases increase as we go down the group. Consider this graph where you can see the boiling points of different noble gases. Starting from helium, you can see that the boiling point is close to minus 250 degrees Celsius. The boiling point of helium is lower than that of neon, and so on until reaching radon. Radon has the highest boiling point closest to 0 between the noble gases. The boiling point of radon is around minus 50 degrees Celsius. The second two statements, the density of the noble gases decreases as we go down the group. The density of the noble gases increases as we go down the group. Which statement is true and which is false? Think about it. Excellent! The density of the noble gases increases as we go down the group from helium to radon. And in this graph, you can see the densities of different noble gases, and you can see how they increase while we move down the group from helium to radon. Consider this figure. You can see different atoms of noble gases: helium, neon, and argon. Helium has 2 valence electrons, 2 electrons in the outermost shell. Neon has 8 valence electrons, and argon has 8 valence electrons as well. So the question is, what do you notice about the highest energy level, which is the outermost shell of each atom? The outer shell contains 2 electrons, the outer shell is full of electrons, or the outer shell contains 8 electrons. Take a look at the figure and think about the question. Correct! The outer shell is full of electrons. Where helium has 2 valence electrons, neon has 8 electrons in its outermost shell, and argon has 8 electrons as well. So in all noble gases, the outer shell is full of electrons. This is actually the reason why noble gases are stable and they are very unlikely to react.